In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. On your screen, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a section labeled Website. Click on that and then select Pages from the submenu that expands. This is where all your landing pages will be managed. Once you're in the Pages section, look for the blue button that says Create a Page. It's located in the top right corner of your management screen. Go ahead and click that button to start your new landing page. Now it's time to select a template. ActiveCampaign has a fantastic library of pre-designed templates that can help you achieve various goals, such as lead generation or promoting events. If you're feeling creative, you can even select a blank template to build from scratch. Once you find a template you like, just hover over it, click Use Template, give your page a name, and then hit Create. Easy enough, right? Next, we'll move on to designing your canvas. ActiveCampaign offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop page builder that makes customization a breeze. You'll find different elements like headlines, text blocks, images, and sign-up forms on the right-hand panel. Simply drag any of these elements onto your canvas to start crafting your landing page. If you want to edit any text or swap out images, just click on the element you want to change, and you'll be able to rewrite the text or select new graphics. Now comes an important step, connecting a form to capture leads. This is crucial if you want to gather information from your visitors. To do this, drag an inline form block from the right-hand panel and place it onto your page. You'll then need to connect this form to your chosen email list within ActiveCampaign. This way, any leads that sign up through your landing page will be seamlessly added to your marketing efforts. Once you've finished designing your page and it looks exactly the way you envisioned, it's time to publish it. Look for the blue Publish Page button, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click that button, a window will pop up, giving you a new live URL link for your landing page. This link is what you'll share or include in your marketing campaigns to direct people to your page. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've created a landing page in ActiveCampaign that can help you generate leads and grow your audience. Remember, take your time with the design to ensure it reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.